Hello. Hi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
I'm here for the Ghana Movie Award 2019, and I'm here to present the favorite actor of the year. And the nominees are Agroberto, aka Who Knows Tomorrow, Ejoko, Lorraine, Lizzie Empire, Bella Samoa, Funny Face, Calibos, Kakumano, and the winner goes to Children President, Funny Face.
It is me. It is you, sir. Children's President. Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Ghana. First of all, we all thank God Almighty for how far He has brought us. I dedicate this award to my twins, my family, and all my fans. Thank you. Thank you. Good evening.
Okay, I'm here once again to present the female actress of the year, favorite actress of the year. And the nominees are Nana Mama Brown, Shewa, Rashida Black Beauty, Sandra Safo Abedio, Jackie Apia. And the winner is Rashida Black for birth, if you were 8 years, me, won't count. Won't create TV.
Sarah, not saying when you are. I will not say when you are.
Well, I mean, you know, Tita,
seriously, too bad.
also, Pacho, my grandma wasting the time. I bet we are with that deal with. Oh, yeah, found got to Facebook. I
was a meeting. I'm running at the nation. We don't find some. I just queen. TV series. Let me try. Ghana, they were TV so baby magic. Oh, Muna
Ghana Award play.
Okay, good evening once again. I'm here to present People Choice Actress and Actor of the Year. Piapin Polo, Kwajon Kansan Lorraine, Patapa, Shatawale, Kansan Lutrot, what's his name again? Super. And the nominees go to Super.
Baby, I was at.
What's my award?
Ghana, super, super.